What is going on, guys? Welcome in today's video on how to download the game Warriors Orochi 4 on your PC. So the first step is open your Google browser, and before we start I would like to ask you to subscribe to our channel and like the video. Once you have done that, we need to locate this game first on Steam before we can proceed to another website to download this game. So go to the Steam website and quickly search up the game Warriors Orochi 4. Now select the game, after that scroll a little bit down and you will find this game with a temporary offer of €34.99. Please be aware that these prices can vary based on your country. So go to the video description and click on the link where it says find game here and follow the workaround. If you click on that, you will be redirected to this webpage and we can search for the same game, Warriors Orochi 4. Now search for the game, select games on the left side, and after that sort by price lowest first. Now there are two things very important if you follow these steps. The first one is you need to search for a PC version, and the second one, this text needs to be marked green so the game can be activated in your country. Once you find one, select it, and after that you will find out that this game is available for just €32.55 compared to the game on Steam of €34.99. This will save you a bit of money while downloading games online, and if you purchase this game through this website you will receive an activation key for Steam or a completely new legit Steam account with all the steps to follow to download this game on your PC through Steam. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys!